Well, today we're going to make some Thai ginger chicken. I'm going to make a very sweet version of it because that's the way I like it. So firstly, right across there, these are the basic ingredients. We've got some chicken, I've got some garlic and ginger, red onion, some red capsicum, some mushrooms finely sliced, some mung bean sprouts, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and some extra virgin olive oil. So we're going to start with the ginger and the garlic and onions. Right, we'll start with just a lug of oil in there, and with the garlic, and with the ginger, and in with the red onion. And we'll just wait for that to start sizzling away. And there we have it. We can hear that sizzling away. And we want to get that chicken nice and browned. As soon as it is, we can add our mushrooms, mung beans, and red capsicum. Once I've put the soy sauce in there. Okay, now we've got that chicken browned, we can get some soy sauce in there. Now I've got a low salt soy sauce, a reduced salt. So, oh, the smell, beautiful. Right, let's just get that back up to heat, and then we'll add the rest. Right, we've added the rest of the ingredients. We're just going to bring that up to heat, and then we're going to add some oyster sauce to it. Just the last step. The one thing that you might want to do, and it's one thing that I do, is just get some raw sugar, because the sweet ginger, I'll tell you what, it tastes divine. Right, now we're going to serve. And there we have it, we're all finished. But drizzled a bit of oyster sauce on the top. Now, all we have to do is eat it. That's going to be fun.